Do you know how you can try TradeAtlas for free? Let's see together. You can access TradeAtlas's free trial area directly from the home page. In this field, you can search by HS code, product name, importer, and exporter name. For example, to examine olive oil shipments, let's select the HS code and type 150990, the HS code of the olive oil, and click the Try Free button. On the shipment search screen that will appear, you will see that all countries is selected as the country, and 2022 is selected as the year. The 2022 data of all countries is provided to you free of charge. You can see the search criteria you have selected in the Search Type field on this page. The Search button must be clicked to see the search results. On the screen that appears, we see how many shipments were made within the date range we specified with the HS code we searched, and the number of importer companies that made these shipments. The importer company names are listed below, and the number of shipments made by each company with 150990 is indicated next to that company. You can examine the listed companies one by one, or you can download the sample data on this screen to your computer by clicking the Download Results button. The maximum number of records that can be downloaded during the trial is 50 at one time. Additionally, all results on the first page appear freely. In order to see the data on other pages, you must have a TradeAtlas subscription. If you would like to see only sample data, instead of downloading the entire data, when you click on any of the companies you want to examine, you will see a page with a summary of this company's shipments. By clicking the Download Results button, you can export only the import shipments of this company with 150990 to Excel. In TradeAtlas, you can search not only by HS code, but also by importer company, exporter company, product detail, brand name, country of origin, port of arrival, and port of departure. You can narrow or expand your search by changing the date range of the data you want to download. However, note that only 2022 data for all countries is available for free. After performing the search, you can export the list to Excel by clicking the Download Results button. You can visit TradeAtlas.com for a free trial and direct your export strategy precisely.